Aloha everyone, my name is Gina Lynn with Zappos.com. The Tubesies creator, Cecilia, a pediatric nurse for 17 years, worked with many children that required internal feedings through their gastrostomy tubes. This onesie will make it easier for all parents to deliver nutrition to their child. In the United States, over 14,000 gastrostomy tubes are placed in children every year. The feeding process can be challenging, and accessing the port can be very disruptive to a child, especially while they are sleeping or playing. That's where Tubesies makes life a lot easier. Tubesies offers a one-piece bodysuit designed with an access window aligned directly over the G-tube, which allows clean and easy access to the port. There is a waterproof pocket that can easily hold a 2x2 drain gauze in case of any tube leakage. Tubesies is easy to use and eliminates the need to remove clothing, making the feeding process much more bearable for children and their parents. Thanks for watching, and we hope these Tubesies will help improve your life with you and your little one. Remember, it's the little things that make a difference.